Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how much YouTube did pay us in December, why we making this December 2020 a very special month for us. I've seen one of the videos, one of the girls, the one I mentioned in another video, Google Mazbugo, she got also more money than what she was getting before. So December was a good month. I think YouTube was giving us bonuses. I don't know, but I want to say that it was a good month for me, and it was the highest money I've ever got on YouTube. So I'm pushing my channel is small, as you see, but I'm pushing it to start earning money, like, and I stop everything I do. I want to go pro. What I'm trying to say to go pro, I want to go full-time YouTube, like employed by YouTube. That's what I want to say. You understand? Employed by you guys who watch these videos. You get me? So now what I'm saying that December was a good month, and I can't compare it to any other month in my YouTube career. So maybe other months gonna be better, but it motivated me. So I'm gonna show you how much money I got, and I never got that money on YouTube before. Though I got a lot of money from AdSense. I'm gonna show you how much money I got. USD to okay. If I come here and say this is the money I got, okay. No, that's US dollars. I'm gonna tell you this, but I'm gonna show you anyway. I wanna convert it to the money you can understand. Okay. Once I'm doing my this YouTube video to show you something, okay, and once I'm done, I got 198 US dollars. I've never had that money before. I'm saying I never earned that money from Google, from YouTube, but I once, not twice, I last on AdSense, the highest money I got in a month was this money. That's the money I got. I got 1,185 US dollars in a single month, and also another month I did it. I skipped 2 months and then I got it. Then other months I've been getting maybe 200, 300, 400 US dollars, but this was one of the highest money I got from AdSense in a single month. You get me? So that was cool. That was so motivating. So I thought I could make that every month. I couldn't make it, but on YouTube it's possible. On YouTube, once you hit that money and you don't change what you're doing and you do all you have to do every day, you can get that money each and every month, even more, because YouTube proved that every month, if you keep on doing what you have to do, your money can grow maybe by 7% or 5%, even 10%, you get me, even 20%, even 30%, even 50%, you get me. So that's why people who are doing YouTube, please keep on doing what you're doing. If you see the results, you're gonna see better results. This is one of the girls I watch a lot also. She's a YouTuber, and she gets a lot of money from, she gets a lot of subscribers, and also she gets a lot of money now from YouTube based on, I've been watching her, and she's been showing what she earns each and every month. You can see each and every month she could show that, okay, each and every month we get different, she gets different results, because she doesn't give up. She records all the time, and she sends new videos all the time. So let's jump in and I show you what we made in December. Okay, in December, why I'm gonna say December, because I'm gonna show you what they call differences between months. You get me? Okay. I guess we can go here and say go to channel analytics. Once we in channel analytics, you can see I got no, this is the month we're in now, and your estimated revenue could be 2.2. That's fine, but now I don't think this month is gonna be like last month, because if I click here, and I show you revenue, you can see this month is today's the 15 already. YouTube, you know, calculates at least 2 days before. You have to calculate the money for today and the money for yesterday. It could be in. Let me see. On the 14, no, it's not in. 14 and today they are not. It's not in. The money for 13, it's in. So, but 14 is not in and today is not in. So, simply means I'm supposed to be on at least 1,300 to show that I'm chasing December's money. So December's money was more. By this time I had 1.3 plus, I would say. So now you can see December I got 3,010 rands. I've showed you how much in dollars. It's 198 US dollars, which is super good. You can see the previous month I got 2.3. You can see now I gained almost 7%. But here I'm dropping by maybe 2 to 3% in January this month. There's a video which shows we made which shows that no, in January 2021 YouTube earnings have dropped. For me, I don't know for you, maybe even for you, because the platform is the same. I'm doing whatever I've been doing before. Everything I've been doing, I keep on doing it. I never changed. So why is the money changing to the lowest instead of to the best? So I explained in the previous video I made. You will see it, and I think you facing the same thing. If you're facing the same thing, those are the same reasons maybe why your YouTube earnings have been dropping in this year. So now you can see the previous month I gained 1,650. So which means also here I got close to 7%. Even here I got close to maybe 5%, and here I got to 30 to 35%. You can see that YouTube each and every month it grows. But now the reason why we're telling you in December, December was a month which paid a lot of money, because you can see today in January my money is dropping. I'm estimating I might make something like 300 less, or 400 or 800, even less than what I made in December last year. You get me? So the reason why this is important to you is you must analyze each and every month. How did I do? How did I do? So this, YouTube has this information for you. You can see this. So if you do this and you finish the year doing the same thing you do, look at this. Let me give you this, how it goes, the entire thing. You can see January 120 last year, Feb last year 191. We gained March, we gained more money. You can see since last year the channel has been growing, you get me, 500, 600, and dropped here. Why it did drop? The reason why it dropped, I was not working here. It went up a bit, then it jumped to this. You get me? From there, it kept on growing. So the entire year last year, it was all good. You get me? So I made close to 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9K, maybe 10K last year. Why? If I calculate here and I say 3 plus this is 5, this is 6, this is 7 plus this will be 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. I'll say that 10,000. Wow, 11,000, almost 12,000. So which is good. I was making at least on average 1,000 rands a month. You get me? So you can't see it like that. But anyway, it on average that's the money I was making. I'm gonna tell you this year I'm not going to make the same money, because I know I have a lot of knowledge based on last year's knowledge. You can see last year I was making 100 rands. This year already have made 1,000 rands. You get me? So it means 1,000 rands. If I keep on doing what I'm doing, I'm not going to do 1,000 rands this month. You get me? So I might be here. So in this year, I might collect 22 to maybe to 40,000 from YouTube. You get me? So guys, December was a very good year, a good month for me, but January is dropping. I don't know if things are going to change after the 20th or whatever, but I want you also to share with us if YouTube earnings are dropping for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Guys, we want you to share your stuff so that all we know what's the cause.